So what is it you clicked on and decided to watch? Pretty good question. The basic answer is that I'm a grown man who has zero skills in the kitchen. I mean, nothing. No more do I want to come walking into this kitchen, looking in the refrigerator, then looking in the pantry, and then taking my phone, opening DoorDash, and ordering something. It's ridiculous. I can't do this anymore. I need to have some skills. Look, it's a knife. I need the skills so I can make food for myself and my family. And with this process, I want to be able to look and see what ingredients I have and go, I can make this, I can make this, I can make this, instead of ramen. So, here is the plan for the channel. Each episode is gonna be a recipe that I'm learning from my wife, the lovely Alyssa. She's taken multiple classes and is an excellent chef, if I say so myself. And if I don't have anything from her, I'll look up a recipe that I'm interested in. Like, I was looking today and I said, you know what? I want to be able to make my own pho. Who could say they can make amazing pho? I want to be that pho. Or anyone can comment down below and leave an idea for something you want to see me try to attempt to cook. I'm going to go from a rookie to a vet. All right, enough. What is today's recipe? We are making salmon fillets. My son Jacob loves salmon, and I want my son Austin to love salmon as well. What do I need to do first? I need to go get all the ingredients. We're gonna do a salmon fillet with sides of green beans and sweet potatoes. I have to go get the ingredients to Giant. All right. This is the Giant. Probably don't need a big cart. I'll use this one. They have those big ones, but I don't need that. Use this. Let me throw this away. All right. Green beans. Fresh green beans. I guess I'll go with beans. Look good? There we go. Alright. That's a nice thick boy right there. This one looks good, I think. Let's go with this. Okay. Salmon. $24. Alright, here we go. Alright, we're back. So what did I get? We have this salmon fillet. It is approximately, backwards. Salmon. It is 2.4 pounds I have here. It's about $9.99 a pound. This whole thing was $24.73. So I'm gonna break this out and then cut it up into different fillets, season it, get it on the broiler pan, and then we'll put it in the oven. Yeah. Prep. To do that, you need one of these, I was told. Look at that, I got a knife. You get to use a knife on this show. Oh, no, we don't need a knife. This is the part I don't remember what she told me to do, but I think I just, yeah. All right, can we get some ASMR? Here we go, ready? ASMR. Oh crap, I pre-washed my hands too. I did. All right, okay. Smells like salmon. Okay. All right, I need to get it open more. Who would have thought the plastic would be the hardest part of this so far? Okay, yeah. Okay. Wait, why is this wrapped underneath? I don't remember this one. I don't remember that part. It looks like we got an extra little bit somehow. Okay. Oh yeah, baby. All right. This little bit here, I don't know if I'm gonna keep, but so I'm gonna cut. I don't think that's the proper way to cut this. Okay, but so there's one. Oh, I need to get the broiler pan. This I've recently found out is a broiler pan. All right, let's put that right there. And that's where I will put our filet. So that on there. All right, another one. Why do they wrap some of the, I don't remember that on the other one. Okay, now I need to... Okay. Nice and evenly cut. This knife is not very good. Okay. Okay. Being very careful not to cut myself. Ooh, look at it. Oh, maybe I should make them a little thicker. Look at this though. Yeah. I don't know if I'm cutting it bad or I'm just, this is the wrong knife. I could have sworn this is the one we used, but to be honest with you, Alyssa went to pick up Jacob, so I have no idea if I'm using the right knife. It's cutting it though, right? It's mostly the skin at the bottom, that's the problem. Wow, that's a big boy. That's a big one. That'll be mine. Okay, we're almost done. Oh, I wonder, so I've been cutting this way. Can I go this way? Because it would be a nicer piece. Because they did this weird fold over. I'm going to do it. See what Alyssa says. Let's do it. Let's do it. Okay. This is definitely not the right knife. So, someone comment below about if you have any ideas about good knife brands. What are these? No name on it, so I can't. But come on, it's the last one. Okay, come on. Got it. Look at that. Look how thick that is. Okay. Whoa. The ice maker just scared me. I'm gonna go turn that off. I have cut the salmon terribly. Oh, that was another thing. I'm washing my hands here. That was another thing Alyssa told me to do that I just remembered. She said to wear... Alyssa told me to wear gloves, I forgot. Okay. Let's see here. I guess these are for her size. That'll be fine. I need to hide that knife before she gets back, or she's gonna be like, "What are you doing?" Oh God. Okay, this will have to. And then we're gonna put this in the sink. Haha! Look at this, just like the magic of TV. Then we have all the salmon on the broiler plate. Here's what we do: olive oil. Oh God, too fast. Nope. Just a nice little bit around. Generous. Hold on, let me turn off the ice maker. Next episode, the ice maker, I'll remember not be on. All right. And then she said to rub it a little bit like that. But wait, I can't rub it. Oh. Maybe I'm supposed to rub it after I put the salt and pepper on now, because now I can't use my hand to touch. I need another glove now. What? This is not... I got another glove. Pepper. Oh, this way. I like pepper, so we'll just go around. Okay. Salt. Oh, this is kosher salt. Oops, let's use the hand that actually has fingers. Okay. Salting, salting. Aren't you supposed to go like do that thing like the guy? So now we're gonna do nice, yeah, massaging. Yeah. There's a lot of holes in mine. Maybe I picked a bad piece, or I did that. All right, you guys look beautiful. Get these up so I can. Okay. Enough of these. We have salmon ready to go in the broiler. The recipe here calls for 4 minutes. Then you flip them over another 4 minutes. So let's go put it in the oven. Here's my oven. I put it on broil, 550. We're gonna put the salmon in now. It's gonna be 4 minutes aside. Middle rack. Nicely. Hey Google, set a timer for 4 minutes.
All right, 4 minutes, starting now.
Actually, our next prep, sweet potatoes. Pricing, we got this bag at Target. The whole bag, how many came in here, like 10? It does not say. We got this whole bag, it was like $3.29. So I'm gonna pick out two, one. Where's a nice one? This one. This one, okay. All right, so basically, I'm gonna go wash these in the sink, and then we're going to put them in the toast. No, I put them in the microwave, that's what it is. Then we put them in the microwave and I hit the potato button and then it just does it. That's all it is. Let's put the sweet potatoes in the microwave. Here's what we do. You open, you put them in. There's a button here that says potato. Oh, how many? 2. Shoot. Oh, no, cancel. 2. Senses. How does it? Oh, it's sensing. Look at this. AI. I have AI. AI microwave. You have AI microwave? I don't think you do. Okay, so now that's it. That's how you cook a sweet potato, apparently. And last but not least for our prep, we're going with green beans. Let me check out the receipt. These green beans were $3.49 as well. Okay, steams in 5 minutes. All right, I need to look at the instructions. So we're gonna do these in the microwave as well. You pierce the bag with a fork. Oh wow, this is super easy. Pierce bag with a fork, microwave on high to 4 to 5 minutes or until tender. Let them stand for 1 to 3 minutes. Differences in microwave, blah, blah, blah. Remove bean, blah, blah, blah. So basically you just stab this and put it in the microwave for 4 minutes, 30 seconds. Done. Okay, here we are back in my AI microwave. We are back. It's time to do the green beans. We're gonna use it. It is, like I said, you just go pierce bag. Yeah. That's pierced. Oh, is that pierced? Yes. Okay. 4 minutes, 30 seconds. About 10 seconds away from Mr. Google. Let's see, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3. Oh, whoa, check this out. Looks good. All right, we're gonna. Hey, Google, stop. Ah, wait, how did?
No, you pull the frame out.
Oh, yeah, that would make sense. Okay, you ready? So I just flip each one here.
You can pull it out a little more. Rotate it.
Oh yeah, make it easy, you mean? But
why don't you flip the ones in the front first?
I'll probably make. Oh wait, was I supposed to spray something on this pan first?
It's okay.
Was I though?
Yes. It's not really sticking, so you got it.
Oh, by the way, we have Alyssa is back now. She's back from picking up Jacob. Okay, now I can turn it, you said?
So you can turn yourself.
I should really have another mitt. I can't really. But. Okay. That's the big boy right here. Oh, that was the question I had. So this piece right here was cut differently than the others, a different direction because. Shoot, I mean, I can't say. Because it had this weird little tiny piece on it and I didn't like it, so I was like, it'll look better if I just cut it like that. So does that matter?
We'll find out. I don't think it does.
I'm not very good at this part. Oh, green beans are done. And last one.
That's okay. My camera skills may be lacking. I'm too short to hold up the camera.
Is it even seeing it?
Yeah.
Yeah. What do you mean? You got it. Okay. Now I
Take
put it
your
back.
skin out of the oven.
What?
Like your hand was making me nervous.
Hey Google, set a timer for 4 minutes. Whoa! Oh, hey Google, stop! Oh, I've changed gloves, by the way. These are like Sting gloves almost. All right, so what am I looking for here?
Well, you can flip them back over because you're not going to be Here.
Oh yeah.
No, pick that up. It's gonna be.
I mean, it looks pretty good to me right now, but
The only one that might not be done is the monster guy.
monster guy.
Yeah.
So then, should I take them off? Like, look right here. Can you see that?
Okay, so
So-
you can put those on. Hey Google, set a timer
Okay, well-
for 2 minutes.
We'll give them a little bit more time, but
All right, 2 minutes, starting now.
we've got some salmon.
Oh, that guy looks happy. You want some salmon?
Here's what we're dealing with. Everyone has been plated. We are about to sit down and have our crowd reaction. And even Bowser.
I was gonna say, even the dog.
Let's see. Here we are, guys. I'm right here. You've already seen me enough. This is the family. We got Austin in the blue. Look at these colors. Wow. We did not plan this. Austin in the blue, Mommy in the red, Jacob in the green, and I'm in the gray. But all right, who would like to go first?
Me.
Austin, on the salmon, please. Here we go.
Oh my god.
What?
That's amazing, actually, though.
You're serious? Hold on.
Yeah, I'm actually serious.
You're actually serious.
I would rate that like a 9 out of 10. That's really good.
Okay. Who would you like to go
Would you
next?
like me to go or the dog?
Oh, let's go with the dog.
Okay.
Let's go.
Bowser. Bowser. Sit. Have dinner.
Let's see how fast you can eat it. 10, 9, 8, 7. What are you doing, bud? I think it's done. Did you like? Whoa! Did you like it? I don't have any more. That's it. No. Salmon.
The green beans.
Oh, you're going green beans first, all right? I did butter. Did you want to get anything in the butter?
Is it good?
Good.
Ooh, then I have to go sweet potatoes.
And then sweet potatoes. A moment of truth. It was, and they were so soft.
Good stuff.
Best,
So I've made dinner for the family.
best salmon I ever had.
Wow. All right, well, before mine gets cold, I'm gonna go eat. Wow. I did it. Episode 1 in the books. I can't wait to see what next week is. So, if you want to see what next week is, please hit that subscribe button right down below. Give me a thumbs up if you liked it. And I would love some comments. If you've got ideas of something you want to see me try to make, please put it down below. Say, hey, everyone, join me on this ride. Once a week, come have dinner with me. From the Recipe Rookie, thank you. And always, let's cook. Basically, I am spitting everywhere.